Welcome back for another stimulus update. Y'all, I've got some good news for you tonight. For the ones of you that really wanting and needing that $2,000 a month, it looks like that's the one that they're going to work on getting passed. Nancy Pelosi was on the ABC News tonight, and she was stating how bad this is needed. And whether you like Nancy Pelosi or not, and I don't, but whether you like her or not, she is the one that controls the purse strings. She's control of the spending, and if she wants it, she will get it. So be looking for that $2,000 stimulus check. And she's still going for the at least 6 months. I don't think that's going to happen. I think maybe 1 or 2 months will happen, but we'll just have to wait and see. But whether you like Nancy Pelosi or not, she is the one that's helping us right now. Okay, guaranteed basic income. What do you think about guaranteed basic income? Do you think we need it? I don't. It's just one step closer to socialism. If you get guaranteed basic income, the government is going to control how much you can make, because everybody be across the board getting the same amount. That means the person that barely wants to work, is making minimum wage, part-time, will be making the same amount as the college graduate that strives to make more. It's not right. It's one step closer to socialism. They'll be controlling what you make. So think about guaranteed basic income before you say you want it. It's not a good thing, y'all. Now, one more thing. They say we got a shortage of meat. Y'all, what you don't know about me is years ago I was a meat cutter for 8 steakhouses. And I also worked in the morgue at Sacred Heart Hospital for 5 years. Y'all, as long as there's a fish, as long as there's squirrels and birds in my neighborhood, and my neighborhood is overrun with squirrels, there will not be a meat shortage in my house. And, you know, I can make meat out of anything. I still got all my equipment. And I seen a couple of nice looking joggers this morning. I can make jogger stew. Have you ever had jogger stew? Well, there's dogs, cats, nice looking joggers all in my neighborhood. I will never be out of meat. You can take that to the bank. Hope it don't come to that. Y'all, keep your chins up. Help is coming. I think Nancy Pelosi is on the right track. It kills me to say that, because I hate that woman with every fiber of my being. But I think she's right this time. I think she's going to help us. I hope she don't get it for 6 months or a year. I hope she gets it for 1 or 2 months. Then if it's needed again, then we can check that out then. But y'all, just know, guaranteed income, that's not a good thing. Shortage of meats, it's up to you if you accept a shortage or not. I won't. Until tomorrow, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Leave me some hate, because I know you're going to. Give me a little bit of love, though. I love you all. Ciao.